We turned up in the party going crazy. Turning up in the party going crazy. We turned up in the party going crazy. Got all my niggas feeling kinda hazy.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing my entire Jordan 1 collection today. I'll be showing y'all, you know, my whole collection of Jordan 1. So I thought I had 6 pair, but I only got 5. I ain't got that many, but we still gonna see if I got some heat or not. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. First I'm gonna be showing y'all the first pair of Jordan 1s I've ever got, and it was these right here. It was the tie-dye ones right here. These came out on women's only, so I don't know if they was, you know, that much hyped about, but yeah, I got these from Go. And yeah, before I have to keep repeating it, I got mostly all of my shoes, well, all of my Jordan 1s from Go, because I was not able to cop these for like retail, because y'all know like the one hype train, yeah, it's almost impossible to try to cop those for retail. But now I think it might be a tad bit easier, because now it's like the 4s are taking over, so yeah, it's kind of making changes now. So, but yeah, I still wouldn't put my all into getting them for retail. But yeah, I got these from Goat, and I paid $3.50 for these. Yeah, I paid a lot, and I didn't even take pictures in these. Well, I think I did take pictures, but I didn't end up liking the pictures, but so I like never posted them. Or did I post them? I think I might have posted them and I took them down. I don't know, but this is like a tough colorway to work with when you really think about it, because blue, I have an issue with like matching stuff with like my blue shoes, so I don't like tend to get too many blue shoes, because blue just doesn't seem to work with me like for putting outfits together. Because the most I could do with this is like a denim jacket, maybe like some jeans, and just like a plain white or black t-shirt. Or with this, I don't know, it might match with this, I don't know, but I always have a hard time with these. But yeah, this is the first pair I got. Let me know what y'all think about these. Y'all like these? Did y'all cop these? But yeah, let me know. The second pair I got were these also. I paid $277 for these smoke gray ones. And I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't a big fan of this colorway when I saw it, but it did grow on me. Trying to zoom it in, like let it focus so y'all can see. As y'all can see too though, the Jordan 1s for me, they crease real bad. So like if you got like some type of protection like to put in your shoe, I forgot like the name of them, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Is it like I think they might be called shoe guards, I don't know, I'm gonna have to see, but I think that's what they're called. So I usually try to get those. You get those for like at any sneaker place like Foot Locker, Finish Line, Foot Action, Kids Foot Locker for like $10. And yeah, they be sitting right next to the counter. But yeah, I always try to cop a pair of those when I cop a pair of sneakers, because I know I'm gonna need them, because my shoes end up creasing really bad. And I think I only wore these maybe like twice. I did take pictures on my Instagram, and as I always say, you can follow me on my Instagram at AfroPuffJada and my TikTok AfroPuffJada. But yeah, I most definitely got pictures of these, you know, with this. And this I would admit, this wasn't really too hard to work with, this colorway. It's like really a very simple colorway. It goes well with like sweatpants or anything when you want to, like, you don't want to do too much but you still want to make a statement. These are like these are perfect for that. So yeah, I did end up wearing these on my birthday back in May. I wore them on a boat ride. But yeah, so I will say that to be in the rain on a boat ride, these held up pretty well. So I would say that these are worth it. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about these smoke grays. But yeah, I like them. The next pair is these biohacks. Now I feel like these was like slept on for the most part. I paid $296 for these. These are the grade school version. These came out in grade school. My other 2 pair, I got them in women's. So yeah, those are a 6.5, and this is just a straight up 5. Let me make sure. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see. Let's see. Yeah, these are a 5. Yeah. And yes, I wore my Nike symbol out of my shoes. Yeah. Nike symbol don't be messing with me. But yeah, yeah, I really like the colorway with these. And surprisingly, these were very easy to find something to match with, because you know, like with all the colors going everywhere. Yeah, I did take pictures in these, and I would have to say, like, the outfit I put together, I really ended up liking it, because I played off of the little, like, tried to pull every color in the shoe like into the outfit, and you know, like, just really tried to play off of that, and it really came out dope. And yeah, I feel like these were slept on. Like, didn't too many people really talk about these? Well, some people did, but not many. I feel like they weren't given the respect that they should have been given, because these shoes are bomb. Like, and y'all know I like pink, so I really like the neon pink shoe screens, and like the little hint of green, and like the orange, mango orange. I don't know, it's just a lot of different colors going on here, and I feel like you can't go wrong, even with like the brown in the back. Like, you can't go wrong with this. I feel like you can put almost anything on with, well, not anything, because you know, you don't want your colors to be all over the place, but you can put most definitely, you know, you can be very versatile with these. So yeah, I would totally recommend these. Like, these would have to be like one of my favorites out of my entire collection. And I do have a jacket that I got to specifically match with these, so that was pretty cool. And yeah, I would have to say, like, these, like, when I wear these, I get the most compliments out of all of my sneakers with wearing these. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. Next we have is the Air Jordan 1 University Blues. And let me tell y'all, I paid $479 for these. So yeah, I paid a lot for these. Like, these were so hyped up, it didn't make any sense. Like, everybody was going crazy about these. And the colorway is just simple. The simple colorway. And like, I actually got this jacket right here to match with these, because I told y'all, like, I don't work well with blue. I always have issues with blue. I did take pictures of these on my Instagram, but I'm not gonna lie, I had a hard time trying to pull these colors together. I don't know why. It seems like it should be simple, because it's just blue, and blue should be easy to work with. Well, for me it isn't. And yeah, I did have a hard time with this. My I don't know if y'all can see. Y'all probably can't. You can't really see with the camera, but yeah, their crease. I would say I do wear these quite often, but not enough for $500. Yeah, I've even looked on GOAT, and I think they're going for like $340 now, so the price then went down quite a bit. But yeah, still feel like these are one of the top Jordan 1s. And I feel like, if you know, it's just necessary to have in your Jordan 1 collection. I just feel like you gotta have it. Like, you can't have any Jordan 1s without having this one. Like, I feel like this is like one of the main factors. Like, I don't know, I feel like you just have to have it. Just some shoes you just have to have in your collection. And I feel like these are just one of them. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about these. Oh, and another reason why these are like the price is up there, because I did get these before they released on GOAT. I think it was like a couple weeks before they released. So yeah, they gonna tax you on that too, like if it ain't dropped yet, because just the hype is at all time. But yeah, that's another reason why. Finally, this is the last pair of shoes, well, Jordan 1s that I copped, and these are the silver toes. These are the silver toes, and I paid $360 for these. Yeah, and I would say I really like these. I think I did take pictures in these. I had like a black and silver dress that I feel like didn't fit well with it, but you know, I had to take the picture and, you know, do whatever. But I feel like I could have did better with like styling this. And then I did do a TikTok with these, and I wore all silver, because the silver is just popping. So like, you can't hurt to like have on an all silver outfit to like really make it pop, you know what I'm saying? And I did buy, I think I have like about 2 jackets, silver jackets, that I got to go with this. I feel like this is really like Raiders colors, so I feel like if you're a Raiders fan, like, you need these. You need these. Like, they go well with any jersey. And I would say it's pretty hard to work with if you don't want to look like the Tin Man, but yeah, because it's just silver. You could wear all black or all white, or black and white, and you could probably, you know, work with it. But yeah, they do have like some damage on them. I did accidentally, like, these did accidentally tip over in water when I was doing my TikTok. I know most of y'all probably seen that, and if y'all haven't, just check out my TikTok, AfroPuffJada, and y'all can see. I also put it in the description below, but yeah, it did end up tipping over, and it did suffer some water damage, so that's why, like, I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like cracked. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's cracked, and I had to like let them air dry. And they do come with 2 pairs of shoe screens, and I have 1 in each. But yeah, I would say that this doesn't hold up as well as my other pairs, because most of my pairs was in water, and I feel like these are the ones that don't really hold up as well. But and yeah, and it's easy to scrub that up. So just be careful if you wear these, because yeah, they are easy to ruin. So don't be like me and be rough with them. Be careful with them. But yeah, let me know which one of my pair of my Jordan 1s is your favorite in the comments below, because I want to know what y'all think. Which one is y'all favorite? I would have to say the biohacks are mine, just because it's pink and my favorite color is pink, and why not? But yeah, I would have to say that these are pretty dope also, but the biohacks just win. So yeah, comment below and let me know which one is your favorite, and let me know what should I add to my collection, because these are like the last Jordan 1s I got, because we've been on like a Jordan 4 frenzy. Now you're gonna be on the Jordan 11 frenzy. But yeah, let me know, because I definitely need to add some, because 5 is not enough to be in your shoe collection. I really believe like I need like at least 12 pairs, or maybe 20. Maybe 20 sound better. But yeah, I definitely need to cop some. I'm thinking about copping the Jordan 1s Pollens. I know y'all was like, no, I don't get those, but the 4s was coming out, so it's kind of like, I don't know. But I am definitely going to cop those. I feel like those, you should just have those, because I didn't see them shoes in person. I didn't see those shoes in person, and I'm telling you, those shoes are fire. So I'm most likely going to cop those, and we do have some coming out this month. That'll start me back on my Jordan 1 journey, because I kind of like neglected the Jordan 1s, and I need to get more. But yeah, comment below and let me know which one is your favorite, and also let me know if y'all want me to do an entire dunk low collection, and I'll do that for y'all also. Y'all see I got it like on my little, I got it on my little hoop up there. Yeah, I have 2 pairs up there. But yeah, let me know, and please like, comment, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this video. And let me know which one is your favorite, and let me know which one is your least favorite, and let me know which one you think I should cop to add to my collection, because I need to grow my collection, because I only have 5 pairs. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we out.